Hello, this is AJ's Weather Project, and my day is May 23rd, 2003. An air mass is a body of air with horizontally uniform temperature, humidity, and pressure. A maritime polar usually brings rain and cold temperatures. A maritime tropical brings rain and warm temperatures. A maritime air mass are formed over the ocean, and they are very humid. A continental is formed over dry land. A continental tropical air mass will bring warm temperatures and dry weather. A continental polar will bring cold temperatures and dry weather. Air masses are characterized by two things: humidity and temperature. Air masses such as these affect weather in the U.S. every day. A high-pressure area is a whirling mass of cool, dry air that the atmospheric pressure is above 1013. A low-pressure area is a whirling mass of hot, humid air that the atmospheric pressure is under 1013. An anticyclone is a high-pressure area that spirals the air down. A cyclone is a low-pressure area that circles the air up. There is a high-pressure system in northern Washington in Canada, which will bring clear weather. In that region, there is a warm front, and east of that, there's a cold front that is moving southeast. They are meeting in the middle and causing rain for that region. There is a low-pressure system in southern California and southern Arizona. Surprisingly, there is very little rainfall. There is one cell in the north tip of the first isobar. There is a large high-pressure area in northern Wisconsin and Michigan. That area is fairly clear of any rain or clouds. The north area of the high-pressure area has a stationary front that is bringing some showers from northern Minnesota and north of that in Canada. There is a low-pressure area in the northern Florida region. It's bringing severe thunderstorms from Florida spanning all the way to northern Virginia. The low pressure is bringing light showers from New York to Maine. There is a stationary front stretching all the way up the East Coast, bringing showers. There is an area in the middle of the U.S. that has been influenced by many of the fronts and pressure areas in the U.S. It is causing rain because the warm air and the cold air are meeting in the middle of the U.S. Isobars are lines of equal atmospheric pressure drawn on a meteorological map. The closer the isobars are together, the stronger the winds are. They are normally drawn around pressure areas. The average pressure is 1013. When you're above that, you need to subtract 4 every time you draw one isobar. When you are below 1013, you need to add 4 every time you draw an isobar. When you're adding or subtracting, you can't go over or under 1013 because you're converting it to a different pressure system. These are isobars. In this area, the winds are very strong because the isobars are very close together. Same with this region and this region. Rain forms when water droplets form from warm air. As the warm air rises in the sky, it cools. When enough of these droplets collect together, we see them as clouds. The rain droplets combine and form bigger droplets. When they get too big, they fall because of gravity. There is precipitation in 4 areas. There is one small dot in southern Texas, right here. There is precipitation up the whole East Coast and in eastern Tennessee. There is supposed to be 2.0 8 inches, which is the highest in the U.S. at the time. That is in North Carolina. There is also some rain in the Midwest, but there is very little amounts of it. It spans over Minnesota, eastern Wisconsin, Colorado, Nebraska, and Iowa. There is also a small cell over southeast Canada and Washington in this region up here. The precipitation in this region is occurring because of the high pressure area up here and the low pressure area down here. There also is a stationary front up the whole coast here, which is the main cause for the rain. The cause for the rain in this middle region right here is because there's a high pressure area here, a low pressure area down here, a low pressure area here, and a high pressure up here. They are all meeting in the middle and causing this area of rain. The rain in this region is happening because of a warm front off the coast and a cold front over here, and they're meeting right in the middle, right here, and they're causing the rain for this area. In Milwaukee, the high is 58 and the low is 46. In Los Angeles, the high is 70 and the low is 58. In New York, the high is 56 and the low is 50. In Washington, D.C., the high is 60 and the low is 54. As you can see, the jet stream enters in northern Dakota, in northern Montana, and snakes through Wyoming, then travels north into South Dakota, then it travels south through Illinois, and then turns north again, all the way through Maine. Overall, the U.S. has an average temperature of around 55 degrees. Thank you for watching my presentation on May 23rd, 2003.